So we create a new project called demo hexon. Okay, and create. So next day we need to create put the one wallet address. So we copy the wallet address, we add one more. Select what token we want, USDC. Then what chain we want is test network. And address, we have a copy address, so just this one. Yeah, confirm. Once you get, you will see all the transaction here. Okay, the place amount. So we can sync. Okay, so $5 and what time we are sync this one. Now we are going to add the expectation. Select which token we expect. Then amount 1, 15. Who will be noticed? Select this one. Add payment. Okay, so now I will choose the switch to account 1 and transfer 1 USDC to account 2. Okay, send. So we are go back to asset. Usually we will automatic sync. So because for demo now we are manually to sync again. So you see, okay, the money is changed. So you can say now the status is match. Okay, so we can choose our token. So we enable and add one wallet address. We select the token 1. Okay, here add Whitelist wallet address, demo trust. Okay, say who will be get the notification. We choose myself. Save. Okay. Now we go back to project. Now I switch the account from the wallet 3. Wallet 2. I would like to send the USDC to wallet 3, not in the list. So when send, so we go to the wallet. Now we're forced to sync again. Yeah, receive the notification from Whitelist guide provided here.